We will share with you in this video 7 ways how to use garlic infused oil for food and a simple recipe how to make garlic infused oil at home. Let's start with number 1. Mix your garlic oil with your wonton sauce before you pour in your cooked noodles. In our wonton noodles or wonton mee recipes, garlic oil is a must. Number 2. Drizzling garlic oil over fried eggs.
Oh yeah, so delicious.
Number 3. Dip your crusty bread into garlic oil instead of garlic butter.
Less butter, guys. Stay healthy, okay?
Number 4. Drizzling garlic infused oil over your salad.
I want my meat.
Number 5. Brush garlic oil on your pizza dough before you put the toppings on.
Smells so Italiano.
Number 6. Garlic oil in your pasta.
Forget olive oil.
Number 7. Add garlic oil to your tuna sandwich filling, which can help to kill the
Yum,
fishy
yum,
taste.
yummy.
Now we prepare a simple garlic infused oil by chopping 200 grams of chopped garlic. You can either chop this garlic with arm power or use your food processor.
Ayah, say earlier lah. Bring in the processor. My hand is tired lah.
If you are only using this garlic oil for cooking, go with neutral oil that can handle high temperature like canola, vegetable, or palm oil. Fry the garlic over low heat. Cook the mixture, stirring it occasionally until the garlic is light brown and slightly crispy. Avoid overcooking the garlic. If it's very dark color, you've cooked it too long and the oil will be bitter. If you don't want tiny bits of garlic in your oil, you can strain it through a sieve as you pour the mixture into the container. Leaving a few pieces of garlic in the oil will help to create a stronger flavor as it continues to infuse over time. Is homemade garlic oil safe?
Yes, it is.
This garlic oil do not even need to be refrigerated because whatever bacteria that can cause botulism is already dead by the frying.
Buried alive.
However, just to be safe, refrigerate your garlic oil if you plan to use it over time. That is it, folks. Leave in the comment below what do you use your garlic oil for. Thanks for watching.